This magnet's actually very strong. Like, I can have it right out here, and as you can see, it kind of pulls itself. You can kind of see the force it takes to actually pull it out, so that is not going anywhere. It's like, yeah, see, that's not going anywhere. I got another one. She slept through lunch and dinner. Poor girl. Yeah, actually, with everything on here, that actually does have a pretty significant weight to it. I'm going to take this now. So I am going to go head over to the computer, and I'm going to try and install this stuff. So I'll be back. Okay, guys. Like I said, old camera, probably not going to work too well. I just downloaded the, it's called IntelliType Pro for Windows 7 64-bit. As you can see, it's right there. I have not extracted it yet. I figured I would let you watch this. I do not have Fraps installed yet, or anything else really, so you will have to bear with this crappy camera for now. And yes, I am watching DBZ because my wife decided to, or I should say my fiance decided, I gotta sneeze, decided to join a DBZ club and school. So I have to catch up to where they're at, and since I was kind of in the middle of this episode whenever they were coming, I'm just going to continue to watch it. Let's see here, it looks like I got set up. By the way, it does say to do the setup and everything before plugging it in, which I always follow what the directions say because it's probably very crucial for, or it's probably that way for a specific reason. So, keyboard you're setting up, and then it's just right at the bottom of the keyboard. Well, that's kind of odd. They give you a keyboard, or a software for the keyboard that's meant for a bunch of other keyboards. It kind of makes me feel a little left out. Well, it's not too. As you can see there, it's SideWinder X6 keyboard. I'm probably covering up the microphones, I bet. Okay, anyway. It looks like it's going to install, and look, it's the first time cell's ever been revealed. Whoa, what now? Okay. Yeah, we will periodically check for it, and we'll finish that. Okay. That should pop up there. I can now get rid of that because I don't need to worry about it, but I do need to remember what episode I'm on, which would be 26, and that would be 27. I can get rid of that. By the way, my background changes to just about everything. I can now get rid of that. I'll move you up there just for now. And we shall venture down and try to plug this thing in. So let's get right on that. Yes, I know my case is undone, but that's because it gets really hot in here, so I kind of leave the case undone. There's my burnt graphics card right there. There's my liquid cooling system. I have it outside because it's a little bit easier to manage when it's outside of the case. It actually looks like it might need some water, but I will put something in there eventually. But as for now, let's try and find a plug, because I'm going to have to use, oh crap, it's on the opposite side. Okay, you guys want to hold on. Okay guys, I just plugged the keyboard in. As you can see down there, looks like it's glowing already. Okay. I actually just realized that once I also get my mouse, it is going to be absolutely no free USB ports in the back of this computer. Okay, let's see here. There it is, all nice and lit up. It's actually going to be kind of difficult to grab these knobs whenever I'm going to turn off this light. Whenever it's completely underneath here. So we go off. Actually, a little light there. Go off. It slowly comes on. There you go. Volume knob works. What is this? I honestly don't know what it's doing now. It was already finished, and yet it's doing it again, maybe? Ow, I don't know. But I'm also supposed to attach keypad right after plugging it in. Make sure it's lined up. It should turn right on. And that also goes on and off with that too, as expected. And periodically check. My new SideWinder keyboard. Congratulations, I already know about that stuff. Probably be able to get rid of these things now if I can just select it. Okay. There's that. Keyboard seems to be okay. I have not tried any kind of typing or anything yet, so I'm actually going to try that right now as soon as I can find some way to set this thing up so all of you guys can see. Probably not going to work the way I want it to. Let's find a notepad. Oh, that is so much quieter than my old one. Okay. Font, make about 20 so you guys can see that. Word wrap, and I shall zoom in for you all. And I'll bring that down so all of you can see. Okay. So, let's see here. Hello, how are you? I'm good. How about you? Blah, bee, blah, blah, blah. Nom. I like this keyboard a lot better. It is so much responsive, though I don't kind of like how the space bar is kind of raised up a little bit higher than everything else. So it kind of like this little sharp groove on the side. Other than that, it's very responsive to that, and it also doesn't, it kind of, I guess you could say sticks, but it's not really sticking. It's because it's so much higher. Whenever I keep going down to push it, it kind of seems like it's not coming up all the way, and it's kind of annoying. But that's just probably something I have to get used to. I like backspace. I mean, this is what I was using. That crappy wireless thing there. So yeah, you can kind of see how bad that is. Originally it was a $99 keyboard and mouse combo, but I got it for like 19 bucks. There's that, and there's the mouse that came with it. It's still okay. I'm going to have to end up using this one still, considering how I don't have my SideWinder for another 2 weeks. For whatever reason. So, first impressions of this, it is really good. I like the feel of it. I will probably make a video of actually using the macro keys in probably StarCraft or something. I don't know when. I have to get Frap set up first, and I also have to get my hard drive set up first. So yeah. That's it. Oh, I probably should also go ahead and show you how this thing off here. Slide it down. Ooh, these rubber feet are actually really good, like it's sturdy, like it actually takes some force to do anything. And you get on there and it instantly comes up. You push the profile and you can see it changes colors. That's telling you it's in macro mode. I'm actually going to push the calculator button. And it's a smart calculator button. I like that. My old one, the one that I just showed you, you could push the calculator button 1,000 times and it would bring up 1,000 of them. So, and it tended to stick a lot, so it would end up bringing up 1,000 of them and you didn't mean to. So yeah. What the heck is on my foot? Oh, and for all you guys that have Steam, see if we can zoom in. And it's probably not going to. I'll probably have to switch to manual. Okay, there you go. I am HG Foxtra. So if you can find me, it's Foxtrot. So there you go. Search me up. I play World at War right now, but that's not really in Steam because stupid freaking VAC banned me from Modern Warfare 2 for absolutely no reason. But I also have TF2, some other games, so if you ever see me, just say hi. Stupid Resurgence pack. Bullshit. Anyway, yeah. I'm probably going to go ahead and install the graphics card now, guys. So I will see you later.